Memo kwa ba eba Atom TV je so nyankopon hira to wage bre a wo de hwe sa dwumadi na meka wo se wunya en subscribe ya subscribe sa dwumadi Atom TV je like na share ma afoforo so ensanka bi and so another great edition of Atom TV GH na ene ede na mede ebesomo ene me dane eye mensa no kakra me tiasi eye enkremosun we efa eye Islamic scholar bia wabegie disampa Jesus Christ was really crucified. Yesu Kristo ye born na sendwem na ukọ omukọ an nimu a omukọ an echeche se dabi Yesu ya mbọ na sendwem nemum ala efa no kọ eye ne nchen yenkohwe video nimbra na enwanwa se Islamic scholar wajia tum se Yesu Kristo ye born na sendwem na obi beka se eba ne sen na obi a watintim won kremosun wabegie di sampa Yesu Kristo ye born na sendwem abra ono ankasa ne book 89 yankohwe eye video nimbra ye ba ye de aka ebeto aso me ka o se wo ye new na se on subscribe channel ya subscribe na share ma afoforo so ensenka bi yankohwe mra sisi e ba ye de aka ebeto aso.
Tell Allah on Judgment Day, you caused that man to assume the appearance of someone, and he who never claimed to be the Messiah, he was crucified. That is an act of injustice. You attributing injustice to Allah? What foolishness! Allah took his soul. They thought he was dead. They took down the body. They put the body in the cave. They sealed the cave. Allah returned the soul. As simple as that. Nobody knew that the soul was returned. And Allah raised him. But let me warn you one more time. If you stick with this theory of substitution, you are going to be in a pathetic state on Judgment Day. Let me warn you one more time. This is a simple explanation from the Quran. And explain rather than go on fancy flights of imagination. Tell Allah on Judgment Day, you caused that man to assume the appearance of someone, and he who never claimed to be the Messiah, he was crucified. That is an act of injustice. You attributing injustice to Allah? What foolishness! Allah took his soul. They thought he was dead. They took down the body. They put the body in the cave. They sealed the cave. Allah returned the soul. As simple as that. Nobody knew that the soul was returned. And Allah raised him. But let me warn you one more time. If you stick with this theory of substitution, you are going to be in a pathetic state on Judgment Day. Let me warn you one more time. This is a simple explanation from the Quran. And explain rather than go on fancy flights of imagination.
Misamu apa babio se okohwe eye video yi wankasa wote asema eye nkemoni no kan e o se eye foolishness se obi beka se oni akron na ye bo na asendwem no ye di obi fufuro na ekobo ho ena sa oni akron ye kum no ena ala de ofa Yesu ekọ ne nchen na kese ala eye injustice ala amia kum obi kwa ala amaya chi obi akum kwa se eye Yesu Kristo na Yesu Kristo de ofa ne ko ne nche na omaye bo obi asendwem ede dada nkofo ne se eye Yesu Kristo miwa enye ono a we eye foolishness eye injustice ala ontimi enye sa de wi na ogitum sa ampa Yesu Kristo ye born asendwem ni soul ekọ paradise na ne body no ekọ cave mu ena ni soul no san so de return back to the body ansa na Yesu oko heaven we ye incremony scholar na agi ase we atum se obi obeka se eye efan se obi fufuro na ye bo na sendwem na Yesu de ye fa ne ko ne nchen e se eye foolishness eye injustice se ala ebe me yakun obi kwa na odi adada enipa bi se eye Yesu na enye ono a ala ontimi nya sa de wi enti ojatum sa mpa Yesu Kristo ye bo na sendwem na efene se owuye na yesie no na osore ti wo kai omukro na Quran chapter 4 verse number 157 surah to Nisa verse 157 Quran chapter 4 verse number 157 to 158 I can say, and for their saying, indeed, we have killed the Messiah, Jesus, the son of Mary, the messenger of Allah, and they did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but another was made to resemble him to them. And indeed, those who differ over it are in doubt about it. They have no knowledge of it except the flowing of assumption, and they do not kill him for a certain. Rather, Allah raised him to himself. When the Omukro Aneka Surah to Nisa, verse number 157 to 158. Omukro Ane say, Yesu yambo na senwem, nemo obifufro ena ye born na senwem eti say Yesu na enye Yesu anemo obifufro. San Omukro Ane cheche na cheche Allah ada enipa ala ada Christopher say eye obifufro na ye born na senwem nemo enti ohwe eye inkremofo scholar bebre na omu chese na ala ana odedada eye Kristo na tamfo wona no omupe Kristo ekunu no ala yade we se na be ya chese odebedada omu se ampa Yesu Kristo na ya chi na ya born na senwem no na ohwe asewe kura still it does not make sense adentia say Yesu ebe mi achi obifufro na ya born na senwem ekunu say odedada obi we injustice eno na nkemoni ni kan say foolishness say Allah obechi obi ekunu e dia dada obi say efen say Yesu we ento asumu na say ne Bible no aka sampa Yesu Kristo yekunu yesie no ne nansa no osoroye say ne nkemoni wagye atum sampa Yesu Kristo yekunu obi obeka say obi fufro na ye born na senwem ena appear say Yesu Kristo no enye no kure na imum injustice before Allah ontimi nyansa de wi ena medu ebesie uyo Kristo ni na ohwe dwumede ya mesro ya tro subscribe screen ase fonse mia so uwi a share afofo so ensenka bi Atom TV GH that's ene usanso ebetim ka say on subscribe ya subscribe like na share afofo so ensenka bi Yesu Kristo indeed he was crucified sene nkemoni no admit na ampa Yesu Kristo yekunu yesie no oso we nkemoni na se wo hwa asenwo ya we wo scholar na wagye atum sampa wo ka se Yesu yankuna foolishness injustice before Allah ampa Yesu yekunu na saa botanti oba asase we so sene nkemoni no wagye atum no midu besia da sene osanso ebetinka makraw bye bye.